We're going to go over the differences between the 26 style engine oil pan and the 2020 to 2026. Yes, this old style engine oil pan was in a lot of the 26 trucks, but the later 26 trucks actually got this new drain plug design that has it sitting lower. Now they improved on a fail that we all reported on, and that was oil builds up on the bottom of this engine oil pan. And when you go to drain the oil, it's actually not able to get over this hump right there. And you actually leave like half a quart plus inside the engine oil pan when draining. So they went to this other design right here, which actually moved the drain plug to a lower location, dropped it down. Very awesome. We did report on this several months ago, and we showed the amount of oil differences that come out of the new style engine oil pan versus the old style. Now we've learned a couple things along the way, and one of which is not all 26s got this engine oil pan right here. So when people are ordering drain plugs off of our website, demonworkshop.com, they're actually unsure which one to get. So I just want to point out real quick which one you need. Now this is the M12 by 1.75 drain plug. That is for this design drain plug. If you have the drain plug that's at the rear point of the engine oil pan, you need this larger, thicker oil pan drain plug. Now this one, the PPE one, comes with a magnet on there. Works very well. There's also aftermarket options out there for the drain plug that have a magnet also. Now there are some differences in the drain plugs, as you can see right there. The reason for wanting to swap that out is because look at that head. That is tiny. Those get stripped out, rounded out all the time. Now when you go to the 2026 truck, they actually have a revised drain plug. Here's the factory one right here. And you can see it's a much different thread pitch at M10 by 1.5. And PPE also has a drain plug available for these right there with a magnet on them as well. Now, let's talk about the pickups. With this new engine oil pan came a different design pickup tube, which I think is an incredible piece, and it's highly underrated. And I want to show that right here. You can see that actually it looks like more volume can get through this pickup tube versus the old style. This is the 2026 plus pickup tube. This is the 2020 to 2026. Now these are not interchangeable with the engine oil pan, so you need to make sure on which engine oil pan you have, and that'll tell you which pickup tube you have. Now this is the 26 style. You can see the location of that drain plug versus the 2020 to 2026 drain plug, where it sticks down like that. Now the pickup tubes, you can see the pickup area right there. The opening is actually larger. This whole area is larger. This tube diameter is the exact same as before. However, if you notice, the mounting point is much more robust. Was it because they were getting a little bit of vibration through here and there was a little bit of air that could have possibly gone in there? We don't know, but look at how the oil flow will go on the old style versus the new style. Much more robust here. So GM quietly did an upgrade on these engines on the, again, these came on the 2026 LZ0s, but not all of them. But this is a fantastic upgrade. I actually have a video that shows how much oil comes out on the one design versus the new design. So be sure to check that out. I've got several more videos on all of these LM2 and LZ0 3.0 Duramax diesel engines.